Kum shibenta i Jing Rakhe i Jingdap sanpo Snem Jylla, but kum Jing itu i Shillong ki balapin Itynnad i saudong saukun, Menteri Rangba Jylla u Konrad ke sangma but Menteri Itynnad penroisor u bas nyau bahalang dahar, but ru kadisi jong ka East Khas Hills ka kong Isawanda lalu, hakasngit ho ding jong ka tayo ka khat pratarik urimpang arjar arpuar, kila lekban jengo e bontli ki Shillong ki badon ha kanong ba. Hakate ka Jing let jingo o Menteri Rangba bat ka kenhun, kilala ban let jingo e bon teligi Shillong bat ki kentot Shillong ki bagentup nado ka Jayau Lansona Lane, Sunny Hills, Maukar bat Mauprem Demiu. Syu-syu o Menteri Rangba ula pentip ru baka sorkar kan sa ay khusnam, ye ki tu ki Shillong ki balapin Itynnad bha, bat kumchu ru ye ki nong dro.
Positive thing for our city, and therefore I take this opportunity to thank each and every Darbar and all the Rangba Shillongs and the leaders who have really participated and made this program a success. And we want to assure everybody that we will continue to have this program in the future also, and find ways and means on how the localities, the community and the government can work together for the betterment of society and our towns, our cities and the state. We've realized that the community and the government, we need to work hand in hand in difficult times also and in good times also. So you've been always very supportive during COVID, and it is because of your support and participation that we were able to manage things the way we managed. So I want to thank you also for that, and assure you that in the future also we'll continue giving our support to the community.